Hello friends, in this video we are going to see that how to generate signed APK file from Android Studio 4.1 who wish to publish their app in Google Play Store. So as per the guideline, upgrade your Android Studio to Android Studio 4.1 and let's start how to generate signed APK file from Android Studio. So test your app, run your app, check app icon and check app name, and if all seems good, go to build and generate signed APK. In step number 2, just go to next and create new key store. It is only for the first time. You need to give the path in step number 2. From the step number 2, move to step number 3 and give the path and type the password. Confirm the password and alias, and for the alias password again, full name means first name, last name, organization, company and country code. It is only for the first time. Second time no need to generate or no need to create key store, just to use it. In step number 4, just generate signed APK by the next and go to release mode and always check V1 and V2 signature. After completion, there is a dialog pressing locate and you can locate it inside Explorer. You can also rename your whatever the APK file. So let's watch step number 1 to step number 5 practically in Android Studio 4.1. So this one is the Android Studio. Just I want to check whether my app is running or not. So press Shift F10. After that, pressing the Shift F10, the app is running right now. So up and down the digit, it is okay from my side. So just I want to check that my icon is ready or not, and also I want to check whether my app name is correct or not. So Avishkar demo is the name. So just I close this one and just I want to go to upper side, build and generate signed APK file. After that signed APK, click on APK file and go to next. Then there is an path. If you want to configure, you can configure it and create new. So create new also with the same thing. You need to give the path and just I type the password and confirm the password. After confirm the password, the same password, I suggest the same password for the alias. An alias password keep the same because it is necessary for you that why should you remember two passwords in one thing. So organization, then you can type the city, state and another what are the country codes are available on the net. So just click on OK. So it is first time only we need to create the key store. So click on next. After that, go to release mode, signed it or checked it out, V1 and V2 both of types, and go to next. After it takes certain times, depends upon your speed of computer, and just go to lock it. It will go to your release mode whenever it is stored. Just if you want to rename it, then you can rename it. Likewise, I want to rename it to Avishkar Demo 1 because it's a first release, so that's why I just give the name of likewise this one. So next time when you update your APK, then you need to go to build.gradle file and change the version code. Likewise, if it is 1 and 1.0, then you need to change it from version code and version name. So let's watch out this practically on Android Studio 4.1. So you have also know that how we build one first APK, and go to build.gradle file and just change version code and version name. Just version code from 1 it will be 2 and version name 1.0 I will make it 1.2. So on and on, likewise version code 3 and version name 1.3, version code 4 and version name 1.4, you can do it. Just click on sync now. After that syncing process will be finished, go to build and generate APK. Now there is no need to create key store, just type the password and after the keeping that same password on alias also, and click on next and click on finish. When all the stuffs will be ready, just you need to lock at this signed APK. On the right bottom side there is dialog, just go to lock it and go to release. After the release there is a name app release APK. Which one is the newer one? So just I type Aviskar demo 2. So it's completed how to generate signed APK file from the Android Studio. It may be helpful. If you like it, write it, comment. So thanks for watching. It is just an experiment, just I shared with you. So thanks for watching. I think it will be helpful. So keep coding, keep learning, be happy, and like it, subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.